I'm Andrea Hamill. I'm an academic from Aberystwyth University, and together with Maurice Brodie, I'm one of the curators of the exhibition Refugees from National Socialism in Wales, Learning from the Past for the Future. This exhibition is about refugees from National Socialism, people who had to flee Central Europe and found refuge in Wales. They had to flee because they were persecuted by the National Socialist regime, because they were Jewish or political opponents of the regime. I've researched refugees from National Socialism for a long time, but now working at Aberystwyth University, I wanted to focus on people who actually came to Wales, and we found that quite a large number of people found refuge, found sanctuary in Wales. We reckon there about 2,000 refugees came to Wales in the 1930s and 40s. This exhibition is co-curated by people who are refugees today in Wales and by people who help refugees today in Wales. So we had a group of refugees who mainly live in Ceredigion, and they have managed to contribute to this exhibition, works of art, paintings. For example, in the exhibition we look at the internment of refugees in the 1940s after the Second World War started. So despite them coming here to flee to safety, they were still interned as enemy aliens in the internment camps in the UK. Similar things, unfortunately, are still happening today. People are forced to live in refugee camps, like the Penally refugee camp, and we have some works of art that were created in this camp in response to people's experiences, to their journeys. I would like people to learn from the past for the future, so learn from the experience people had in the 1930s and 40s, so we can make things better for people today, for people who come as sanctuary seekers to Wales today.